All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 88,128 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering on the screens and stuff, that's just in camera. That is not in person. It is a non-smoker in here. These seats are really, really nice. They're in great condition. Brakes feel good. Going down some bumpy roads. Shifting nice and smooth. Steering's perfectly straight, doesn't have any shake or shimmy to it. Alignment feels good. And this is actually surprisingly quiet. I mean, you're gonna have your rattles, but with a big cargo van like this, a lot of them just, everything rattles in the back. And so far, this is really nice. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now, if you look at the window sticker, this was a special order paint job, and it was Sherwin-Williams blue. Now, somebody at some point had it painted white just on the exterior. So when you do open the door, you're gonna see that original Sherwin-Williams blue paint job. Now, you're gonna see they had a lot of overspray, and you can tell that they painted over it. But with the door shut, most of the blue is kind of hidden. So we're going to kind of go through this and look at the overall condition. You got 235 65 16s on here. They look really good. Date code 2023. You have a ton of tread left. Of course, you're going to see a little bit of that blue kind of peeking through there. And then when we get up close, of course, you're going to see some spots where you can see the blue. You're going to see a little bit of overspray on some of the trim pieces, and that's kind of peppered throughout. So I won't go through all of it, but that fender looks good. Side mirrors clean. All the glass looks nice. Overall, that door is good. Like I said, you're going to see a little overspray on the trim and things like that. You know, that's kind of flaking off in there. A couple dents. A few little scratches down the side. Looks good though. A few little scuffs and scratches. Nothing too major though. That tire looks good. Wheel looks good. Got the nice side step here. Looking at the headlights, you're going to have the yellowing and kind of cloudiness and whatnot that you're going to see in here from just over the years. You're going to see it on this one as well. And then of course you'll see some of that blue. You see some blue in there. Those vents look nice. The front grille surround, that's in great condition. Now here on the lower side of that paint, you can see that is kind of fading. A little bit of damage there. A couple little scuffs and scratches. That fender looks good. Side mirror's clean. That looks good. You can see right here you had some previous dents. It looks like those got repaired a little bit, but you can still see them kind of popping out this way now with some little chips. Overall, that lower section looks good. Most of the body lines are straight. Typical dents, gashes, little things like that. You're going to see that wheel looks good. Tires look good. You can see some of the blue kind of peeking through. You do have some damage. That's probably the biggest spot of damage on the whole vehicle, is just that little spot. Up there at the very tip top, you do have some gashes and dents. Overall, I would say it's in really good condition. I think the paint looks pretty good. Of course, the little small details when you get up close, you're going to see that, but this is going to be a perfect work vehicle. Looking back here, you can see all the blue, and I kind of like that. I think it looks really cool when you open this up and you see that kind of two-tone look. Overall in great condition. Got the diamond plate here. good floors. Just kind of scanning through that. The doors open further than that as well. That's the first lock, and then of course you can unlock them and go really wide. They shut nice. Alright, checking out the interior here. Like I said, you can see all the blue. Looking at that door panel, you got the power locks, power windows, tons of storage here. Overall, that trim looks good. Here's all your stickers. Looking at the seats, they are vinyl. Typical little wear, but looking at that bolster, really, really nice. I don't see any rips or tears, so those are in great condition. Here on the steering wheel, you have some wear spots. Here on the top, you got a couple spots there as well. You do have cruise control. You don't have automatic headlights. You got your power mirrors, parking sensors, traction control system. Got the little gauge there. Radio, CD, all that good stuff. We'll have the window sticker on the website for all the options. But that's all in great condition. You do have a little rip on the vinyl flooring. Otherwise, looks really nice in here. Looking at that panel, looks good. You can see all the blue in here. Got the vinyl floors. Got the vinyl seats. Typical little stains, but bolsters are in great condition. I'm not seeing any rips or tears, so it looks really nice. Got the partition here. Got a lot of storage. Glove box looks good. Upper side of the dash, all of that looks nice. Of course, you got the overhead bin here with tons of storage. And I kind of like this. You got the bright orange seat belts. All right, checking out the engine bay here. Scanning through all that. Looks good.